Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. You take it from there. June 20th, Supreme Court opinion, FDA v. R.J. Reynolds Vapor Company. Interesting one here for you guys today, so let's focus up. The general question of the case is whether retailers can seek judicial review of an FDA denial order under the Family Smoking Prevention and Tobacco Control Act, the TCA. So the TCA requires manufacturers to obtain FDA approval for new tobacco products, including e-cigarettes, before marketing those items. In 2016, the FDA classified e-cigarettes as new tobacco products and deferred enforcement while manufacturers sought those approvals. R.J. Reynolds Vapor Company applied for one of these approvals, but was denied by the FDA for failing to show the products were, quote, appropriate for the protection of the public health, unquote. So RJ Vapor, along with a couple other companies, filed a joint petition for review in the Fifth Circuit. Because remember, federal agency, FDA, appeals straight to the circuit court. The FDA here argued that only the applicant manufacturer, RJ Vapor here, was adversely affected under the TCA and thus is the only one eligible for review, so the petition should be dismissed or transferred due to improper venue, due to inclusion of those other companies. The Fifth Circuit, however, denied the FDA's arguments, finding the venue proper. And now the Supreme Court is finding that retailers who would sell a new tobacco product, but for the FDA's denial order, are adversely affected under Section 387A1 of the TCA or Tobacco Control Act, and thus can seek judicial review. The court noted the TCA's use of the phrase, quote, any person adversely affected, close quote. So, the Fifth Circuit's denial of the FDA's motion was affirmed here by the Supreme Court, and the case was remanded for further proceedings with this new guidance that all companies involved can go through with the case. All right, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you next time. Bye.